Hi everybody, Tricia here with a webinar announcement from the Virtual Foundry. If you've been looking into metal 3D printing, you know about FFF metal. That's metal 3D printing filament that you print on your regular FFF 3D printer and then debind and sinter in your regular kiln. But you might not be sure if this technology is the right one for your specific project or application. Well, sign up for the Virtual Foundry's upcoming webinar, Ideal Applications for FFF 3D Metal with Filamet. The webinar is happening Tuesday, August 1st, 2023 at 11 a.m. Central Time, USA. We'll go over the basics of FFF metal so you understand the general process. Then we'll get into the good stuff. What applications are great for this technology, and what applications should you avoid at least today? You'll get a chance to ask your questions and learn about a special offer that we have for you. Join us August 1st, 2023 at 11 a.m. Central Time for this informative webinar. The registration link is in the description of this video and at thevirtualfoundry.com/webinar-registration, which is under the Learn tab. Once you sign up, I'll send you a calendar invitation with a Zoom link included. And don't worry if you can't attend. The webinar will be recorded and posted right here on the Virtual Foundry's YouTube channel. I'll see you there. Once you sign up, you'll receive